What is a linked list? Linked list is a linear data structure which consists of group of nodes in a sequence. Each node contains two parts, data and address. Data, each node of a linked list can store a data. Address, each node of a linked list contains an address to the next node called next. There are many advantages of linked list. Let's review some of them. Linked lists are dynamic in nature and allocate memory as and when required. Insertion and deletion is easy to implement. Other data structures such as stack queue can also be implemented easily using list. It has faster access time and can be expanded in constant time without memory overhead. Since there is no need to define an initial size of a linked list, hence memory utilization is effective. Backtracking is possible in doubly linked list. Types of linked list. Singly linked list contains nodes which have a data part and an address part, that is, next which point to the next node in a sequence of nodes. The next pointer of the last node will point to null. In a double linked list, each node contains two links. The first link points to the previous node and the next link points to the next node in the sequence. The previous pointer of the first node and next pointer of the last node will point to null. In the circular linked list, the next of the last node will point to the first node, thus forming a circular chain. In this little demonstration, we will see how C# programmed to illustrate to create a linked list, creating a list using a list class. So here we have defined a variable called myList for class linked list, and we are adding few elements in the list using the method addLast method. Here are the list which we are filling it up. In order to access element of a linked list using for each loop, in computer science, sorting is arranging elements in an order sequence. Over the years, several algorithms were developed to perform sorting on data, including merge sort, quick sort, selection sort, or bubble sort. The other meaning of sorting is categorizing. It is grouping elements with similar properties. The opposite of sorting, rearranging a sequence of elements in a random or meaningless order, is called shuffling. Sorted list class represent a collection of key value pairs. A sorted list element can be accessed by its key, like an element in any dictionary implementation, or by its index, like an element in any list implementation. A sorted list object internally maintains two arrays of store the element of the list, that is, one array for the keys and another array for the associated values. Each element is a key value pair that can be accessed as a dictionary entry object. A key cannot be null, but a value can be. Sorted element, as soon as they are added, sort primitive type key in ascending order and object key based. A key must be unique and cannot be null. A value can be null or duplicate. In this program, two namespaces are important, system and System.Collection. Here we have created sorted list object name MySL, and adding few elements to it in unordered form. In addition to that, print keys and value functions takes object of type sorted list and print it keys and values using for loop by calling function getKey and getByIndex.